Fishers of men. The story of Jesus calling the disciples. Finally, Jesus was about to start his ministry. Jesus started teaching people, and everywhere he went, the crowds followed him, got bigger and bigger. The people could tell that there was something special about Jesus, and everyone was talking about him. Even though Jesus was very popular, he did not have close friends. He decided that he should choose special friends who would go everywhere with him. They would be called disciples. He had a special plan for his 12 disciples. As Jesus was teaching one day, he saw two brothers, Peter and Andrew, in their fishing boat. Jesus stopped what he was doing and got into Peter's boat. He told Peter and Andrew to take their boat out and put their nets into the water. Peter was puzzled. He had been out all night and had not caught one fish. But he decided to give it a try anyway. As soon as Peter and Andrew put their nets in the water, they were filled with fish. In fact, the nets broke because there were so many fish. Peter called his friends, James and John, who were in a nearby boat, to help catch all the fish. Peter knew that Jesus was special. Peter said,
"I am not worthy to be in your presence, Jesus."
Jesus replied,
"Do not be afraid. From now on, you will catch men instead of fish."
Wow!
Immediately, Peter, Andrew, James, and John all left their fish and boats and everything they had to follow Jesus. They chose to leave behind their jobs as fishermen to become fishers of men. Later, Jesus chose 8 more disciples. Every time Jesus told one of them to follow him, they left their jobs, family, and friends to follow Jesus. No questions asked. Now that is what it means to be willing.